Okay, so this is my garden. I've got obviously lots of nice grass and a trampoline. And so the goal today is to learn how to backflip on flat ground. And so obviously I'm going to do some backflips on the trampoline. And then I got some like old kind of mattresses as well. And I'm going to try backflip on the flat ground, maybe onto them first and then actually onto the flat ground. So yeah, just going to record and kind of document this journey. You're either going to watch me learn how to backflip or watch me break my neck. Either way it's going to be interesting, so yeah, keep watching. And of course as well, just to get some energy, you need a big speaker for some good music to help with this. Okay, so step one is just backflip inside the trampoline and just warm up there. Okay, so got a sweat on. I've done some flips in the trampoline without jumping. Of course, you still get a little bit of a spring. I've done some stretching, just my shoulders, my ankles, my legs, warming everything up so I don't hopefully injure myself. What else? Yeah, so I'm just going to do some rolls. So I'm going to be doing some rolls, some practice jumps, and kind of then back kind of handspring kind of thingy. And then after I get comfortable a bit of that, I'm going to commit to a backflip. But I will get those mattresses that are on the floor here out for that first. But yeah. Okay, as you can see now, I have these kind of 6 small cushions / mattresses. That's what I'll be backflipping onto, at least in the start. Maybe not first go. Okay, you know, I thought I'd get that first go. Sometimes things don't work out the way you thought they're going to. So something's wrong with the flip. I'm going to rewatch it and see exactly what I'm doing wrong. Yeah, so they did not get anywhere near close. I gotta watch that and see what's up. Okay, so just after reviewing the footage, and a couple things I think I did wrong was not committing, so I kind of faked the turn the shoulder to kind of not make it. I should go straight back in the jump. So yeah, I just have to make sure I commit to it, and I hold my tuck. I'm not really tucking, kind of letting go. I gotta hold that tuck in order to get the spin. So yeah, I gotta work on that.
Spitting fire in